And
evening.
Would you like to again? Because
and
I
it's
think your
good
voice is quite
presentation.
problem.
It's good
Yes, please.
presentation. I'm listening.
Okay.
Yes, Mr. Chaudhary, you please start your presentation from the
Okay.
controller. You go to the previous slide and go to controller
Okay.
side. After that, we will Mr. Mehdi will ask some question and we will take some question from Mr. Mehdi. Okay?
Okay, in the
Oh, okay. So, okay. This the new model of my product, my new model controller. This one we call the well plus, right? Okay. This one have the 12 fan, 12 fan, and one heater control, one cooling pump, spray or cooling pump number two, lighting, and this controller can control ammonia, CO2, temp sensor number four, and this is a standard one, two temperature sensor and one humidity, and also this one also have the cable. This model have the Ethernet port. That is mean you can connect with the LAN. With the LAN, you can choose by a LAN cable or Wi-Fi or fiber optic. But in this moment, mostly before we choose the RS 485 with the cable. But you know, in Thailand, so many lightning when the raining and have the lightning. If the cable RF485 with the cloud system not good, problem, big problem. Sometimes the network is problem. So we have the experience for the Wi-Fi. We use M2 and M5 with the Wi-Fi. But if raining or the someone block the signal, or maybe like the truck or some uh, the the leaf, or something is interfere the Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi also problem. Now we have the many customer. We suggest use the fiber optic. Because the fiber optic in this moment, the cost of the cable fiber optic is really cheap, better than the IF485. We have the 4-5 farm now use the fiber optic. Fiber optic is have not the metal wire, no copper, and then lining we don't affect with the fiber optic. And also the customer can use CCTV, CCTV combined with the network by the fiber optic also. Okay.
And
Yeah,
Mr. Chaudhary,
yes.
let me know that in your this new temp model 1200 plus, what is the unique thing, special for the winter ventilation?
Can you say?
For the winter ventilation and negative pressure
Ah,
control ventilation. What's the
ah,
characteristic of
ah.
this controller and how this
Okay,
controller controls, especially in the winter ventilation? Yes, the
okay,
phenomena.
okay, okay,
What the phenomena
okay,
adopt by this controller?
okay, okay. This one, this one controller, I will explain this next page. Normally the for the step fan control, that is in the gap of the temperature is 1 Celsius, right? Example, If the target temperature is at 33, right, and this 1 Celsius, right, fan 1 Celsius, that is mean 34 on, right? You see that on. If the reduce the 34 must be on until 33, it will be off. The gap of the temperature is 1 Celsius. But this controller not. This controller is calculated. If the temperature from the 34 reduce 33.9, what is mean? It means open 9 how to say 9 if the cycle 10 minutes, open 9 minutes, off 1 minute. If the temperature is still reduced 33.8, open the fan 8 minutes, off 2 minutes. It's like this. Then if we can do like this, the gap of temperature 1 Celsius is we will reduce. That is mean temperature in the house is will be quite not the narrow gap, not 1 Celsius. You understand what I mean?
What about the behavior of the negative pressure? Sometimes, there's a lot of wind outside, and at that time, what is the delay time of the negative pressure sensor sensing? Please let us know.
If you say the how to control the air inlet if the in the water, right? You talk about it?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Especially
For the
in
this controller,
wind season, especially in wind,
winter
if outside the wind, yes.
wind. Ah, this controller is the same like 3620. This controller, the network is LAN system. I mean the Ethernet. So we have the control box for only the control the motor. You understand? Then this one you can connect with the static pressure, or if you don't want static pressure, you connect with the controller. Controller will you said how to say the step 1. If the fan 1 on, how many percent? We have the another, not the only this box, but you can connect together because why we design like this. Some customer don't want to control the air inlet like your country. Just only the controller for the fan for the thing. Then no need to buy the control box for the gear motor. You understand? Gear motor is another option. We have the another box and connect by the LAN system. So you can connect if one fan, how many percent? Step 1, one fan is a step 1. How many percent air inlet? Fan 2, on how many percent you can set with another box. Connect with this one. You understand?
It means that what you suggest that which one is better? The percentage, the inlet opening percentage is better, or your inlet will be controlled on the static pressure which you fixed. You have a target of, if you have a target of 25 Pascal, your inlet will be open only 20 and
for me,
close on 25 Pascal. Yes.
For me, we prefer step, not static pressure, because static pressure, the lifetime 2 years or 3 years, and the cost you must to pay. most the customer in China also buy my controller, huh? And China also control the air inlet. They also use the step control. Hmm.
Step, yes, yes.
Better. Yeah,
It
because
means that
yeah,
your advice is same my advice, because I also advise to my clients that you should control your low pressure ventilation on the LPV curve. It means LPV curves your fan exertion with the opening of the inlet.
yeah,
This is
yeah,
better because the life of the
yeah,
pressure sensor is also very small, 2 years, and mostly before 2 years, it has some problems, light of problem. Dust is very main particles. You know, the diaphragm of the pressure sensor is disturbed by the dust also. The reading is also disturbed. The diaphragm is the also disturbed by the dust, especially the reading is also, there's some difference of the reading because of the dust. So you just set your house on the negative pressure and adjust your inlet opening percentage, and then your control should be on the low pressure control system or inlet opening or flap opening system. That's better. Yes, you're right. You're right.
yeah.
Yes, please
But one
carry on,
thing,
sir.
customer must to have the static pressure handheld the instrument, because they need to measure their own house before the starting,
Yes,
because
yes.
they don't know 10% enough or not enough. They don't know. That is mean they must to buy the instrument. But buy one instrument is cheaper and buy the static pressure in the many house. This is mean
Yes, yes,
the static pressure.
yes.
Yeah,
So
they can use
I also advise my client that you
yeah,
must have a monometer gauge.
yes,
Minimum you must have a
yeah,
monometer gauge. Yes,
yeah,
because
yeah.
gauge life is gauge life is more than 5 to 10 years. Yes, the gauge. Only simple gauge.
The cake really simple and it's really good. They're not easy to broken. Yeah. If you buy
Yes, yes.
some electronic can block can yeah, this the cost of the instrument also high. The gate is better. Yeah. Gate or the tube, like the Dewey, right? Dewey have the how to say, the Dewey static pressure. They put the lead liquid in the glass tube. This is all good. Mm.
Right, right. Please carry on. Please
Ah,
carry on.
yeah. Okay. So this one is a new product to control. We also have the another box for the another the control box, the control the air inlet or the tunnel door. So that is mean, if the some I ever the visit the farm in Pakistan for inlet. Sometimes they open by manual, right? By the manual, they do by themselves, because they have not the motor to control. So if they choose the controller, that box no need to add in, because if we add everything inside, but they don't they don't use, they pay more but don't use, right? We make the controller like this. Now is the option. You want to control the motor, you buy the control and connect everything, because that we have the port, internet port is like this. In the future, like the heating control, like the weight scale, alarm system, we connect by LAN. Ah, okay.
Okay, your next controller will be equipped
Okay.
with the weight control and like
Yeah,
this and like this. Okay.
because I think like this way is the cost, initial cost is cheaper. It's cheaper.
Oh
Yeah.
yes, 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 yes. You're right.
Okay.
So
This is
so
control